Are you an early bird or a night owl? While some people would like to believe they are an early bird or a night owl, it's more complicated than that. This is determined mostly by your circadian rhythm. A circadian rhythm is a natural cycle of energy levels, which is determined by both your genetics and your exposure to light. It controls the amount of energy you have at different times of day and what time you go to sleep. If the cycle is longer, you are more likely to burn the midnight oil. If the cycle is shorter, though, you are more likely to get up early and attack the day. How you deal with your circadian rhythm greatly affects your productivity. For example, just because someone is able to stay up longer doesn't mean they will have more done. Because of this, the typical 40 hours work week doesn't take advantage of people's most productive hours. So, how did the 40 hours work week come into play then? Surprisingly, it had nothing to do with increasing productivity. Henry Ford, the owner of Ford Motors, created it. He reduced his employees' hours from 48 hours a week to 40 hours a week to give them more time to spend their money. He hoped to spark more consumerism in America by giving people more free time to spend their salaries. While his plan worked to increase consumerism in America, people still debate about the effect a set schedule has on productivity, creativity, and health thrives when people work at their peak hours. Taking frequent breathers helps too. The key is take on-time breaks when you feel you need them, not when someone tells you to get one. When are your most productive times of the day for creative work? Are there times you feel much more productive than others? Could you better utilize those times while introducing on-time, natural cycle into your schedule? If so, you might see big increases in your productivity and creativity.